India's COVID-19 death toll surpasses 2 lakh as Joe Biden talks with Narendra Modi about vaccine shipments. The second wave of infections has seen at least 3 lakh people test positive each day for the past week, overwhelming healthcare facilities and crematoriums and driving an increasingly urgent international response. The last 24 hours brought 3,60,960 new cases for the world's largest single-day total, taking India's tally of recorded infections to nearly 18 million. It was also the deadliest day so far, with 3,293 fatalities taking the toll to 2,01,187. However, experts believe the official tally vastly underestimates the actual toll in a nation of 1.3 billion people. In the capital, New Delhi, ambulances lined up for hours to take COVID-19 victims to makeshift crematorium facilities in parks and parking lots, where bodies burned on rows of funeral pyres. Coronavirus sufferers, many struggling for breath, flocked to a Sikh temple on the city's outskirts, hoping to secure some of its limited supplies of oxygen. Hospitals in and around the Indian capital said oxygen remains scarce, despite commitments to step up supplies. We spend the day lowering oxygen levels on our ventilators and other devices as our tanks show alarmingly dipping levels, Dr. Devana Chakravarti. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said people were falling sick more severely and for longer periods, stacking up the pressure. The current wave is particularly dangerous, he said. It is supremely contagious and those who are contracting it are not able to recover as swiftly. In these conditions, intensive care wards are in great demand. A fire early on Wednesday at a hospital on the outskirts of the financial capital of Mumbai killed 4 people and injured several more, according to police. Accidents at hospitals have become a special concern as India runs short of beds and oxygen supplies. Last week, a fire at a hospital treating COVID-19 patients and a leaking oxygen tank at another killed 22 people. Supplies arriving in New Delhi included ventilators and oxygen concentrators from Britain, with more sent from Australia, Germany, and Ireland. First shipment of oxygen generators from Taiwan to India is leaving this week. US President Joe Biden said he had spoken at length with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi about when the US would be able to ship vaccines. The US State Department's coordinator for global COVID-19 response, Gail Smith, warned that India's challenge called for a sustained effort. "We all need to understand that we are still at the front end of this," Mr. Smith said. "This hasn't peaked yet. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe our channel."